beautiful people. In this video, we are going to unbox this big package that is sent by AWS team. First of all, thank you so much Suman, Rohini and Ridhima for sending this package. And why they sent me this or every AWS UG leaders. So this is because I became one of the organizer for AWS UG Jaipur. And if you don't know anything about AWS UGs, you can check out the link that I will be mentioning in the description box. Also, AWS UG Jaipur is coming with a big conference, that is AWS UG OS Tech Conf 2021. If you want to be a part of that, do register on the website, and there are tons of cool things that we have planned for you all. And I highly encourage that students join this conference and gain the latest technologies, and we have some swags also, but that's not the main thing about this conf. We want you to learn something from the industry experts. So you can check the website. I will link that in the description box. So if you're new to my channel, I upload various videos that I am learning right now, like Linux, open source, unboxing, Python. There are tons of various videos because I learn a lot. Okay, that's the main reason why my videos are like so different, and there is so many variety in my channel. I don't know. So yeah, if you like any of my videos, then you can subscribe to my channel and support me. That's the only thing you can do. And yeah, without wasting any time with this chatting thing, let's unbox this. Okay, I have waited for this box to arrive like too long. I didn't see any of the photos that other leaders were sharing because I wanted to be a surprise for myself. So I didn't see any of this. So let's unbox this and let's see what's inside. So we will not be using any scissors. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. Okay, that is hard. I don't know what it would be. I am strong. Let's open it. Okay, I'm not very strong. Okay, I'm strong. Okay, yes. How to do unboxing without any scissors? Just hands. Okay. Okay. That's a big box. See? I have to clean that up. Okay. So this is the box that it sent me. Let's open it. It's quite heavy. It's pretty heavy. Not for me, because I'm strong. Okay, where to open this is. Okay. I don't like tapes. I ruined it. Okay, I'm messy. Sorry, you have to see this. Okay. I didn't want to tear this paper up, but I guess I have to. Can I just do it? I ruined the paper. Okay. Finally. Okay. So it's written AWS all over this paper. Quite nice. But I ruined that paper, so I can't reuse that. But I can cut some part. Okay. Okay. Joint box. Let's see what it has. Okay. Let's see. Okay, some stickers. Empty. Okay. Okay. Few stickers. Nice. I like it. It's born to code. Full snack developer. Yeah. Coding is my superpower. Better together, AWS and you. Work from home, expert level. And yeah, genius at work. I like these. Okay. There is a bag. There is a bag. First, let me open this. Okay. Anything else? Let's see. Okay, empty. Okay, so there is a personalized. Okay, I can't spell it out. Okay. This is a card. Okay, so it says, "Dear Seema, thank you for being part of our awesome developer community," because it's AWS. Okay, developer community, and going above and beyond to help your peers during these difficult times. Please accept this souvenir as a small token of appreciation for all the hard work you have done. Warm regards, Team AWS. Thank you so much. Okay. Damn. Some bag filled with, I don't know what. Let's see. Okay. We don't have anything else. Okay. I never got a bag filled with styles. Okay, this is the first time. AWS. Thank you. Okay. Okay, I have to cut it back. Okay. This is a mug. Fancy. Fancy mug. It's so cool. Oh my god. Wow. I like it. I love it. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think I can. Oh. Wait. I can put this under a cup or above that. I'm not sure, but it says better together AWS and you. And they are 3. Wow. I like it. I really like thoughtful swags. Yeah, I love them. There is a badge. Better together. The same thing. Okay. And that's the bottle. that says Aqua Bot. Nice. So many boxes. Ooh. It's cool. It's empty, obviously. It's empty. Okay. Okay. Nice. Then, okay, the last thing. And it's heavy. I don't know what it has. Okay. Pen. That says AWS. And a diary. Nice. 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 Pretty. Oh, quality of pages. I shouldn't do that, but yeah. Um, okay. I don't have to purchase any diary now. I have 3 now, not from AWS. 2 of them are from Microsoft, and it's from AWS. Oh, I really liked every swag. It's perfect. And yeah, this box. And obviously this bag is also a swag, so yeah. Okay. 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 Let's put them aside. And lastly, thank you so much again, Rohini, Suman, and Riddhima, for sending these awesome swags and so thoughtful. Yeah. And at last, if you want to join AWS UG Jaipur, you are definitely welcome. And yeah, don't forget to register to the conference that's happening on 24th and 25th of July. You will find every important link related to this video, AWS UGs, and everything will be in the description box. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up. Okay, I'm sounding like a typical YouTuber. Sorry. Just subscribe to my channel if you like. There is no pressure. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.